Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Usually I'm talking about devices which you can easily buy across the internet, but today I've got something unique. I've got a couple of gadgets which are handmade by a Slovakian guy and which you can buy only from him. His name is Petr Mishenko and he lives in Slovakia, which is a beautiful country in the heart of Europe, somewhere between Austria and Ukraine. These gadgets you can use either as earrings or as pendant. So let's start the unboxing. This is the pack which I've received from Slovakia. Inside the pack there is a plastic bag with a sticker with the addresses of the online stores of Petr Mishenko. Let's open it. In the bag there are two smaller bags with the pendants. Let's open the first one. There is the pendant. Some hooks for using it as an earring, a very useful thing, and a paper with some information. So charging time 2 minutes, operation time from 1 to 8 hours, depends on flashing frequency. Press button to switch the mode. Okay, let's pass to the second one. The pendant, the hooks, and the paper. It's not easy to take it out. The bag is too small. So there is nothing important here. So let's charge these gadgets and take a look at them in action. Each of these gadgets has a supercapacitor for storing the energy. Here it is, you can see it. So there are no batteries and there is no hassle with recharging or replacing them. All you need is a USB charger like this, and you just need to insert the gadget into a USB port and wait a couple of minutes until the supercapacitor is fully charged. That's all. After being fully charged, these gadgets can work for up to 8 hours depending on the flashing frequency. So let's take a closer look at them. On the first model we can see the USB contacts, 20 LEDs, and a microcontroller here. On the back side there is a supercapacitor and a button for switching the modes. So let's press the button. This is the first mode. You can see this is a semi-random pattern. Let's pass to the next mode by pressing the button again. So this is the energy saving mode. In this mode it will last up to 8 hours, I think. The third mode, starts flashing more frequently. The fourth mode. The fifth mode. The sixth mode. This is my favorite mode. The seventh mode. The eighth mode. It displays I love you. And the ninth mode. Here it displays happy birthday and 3 exclamation marks. And the mode 0, which is the standby mode. The second model has a multicolor RGB LED next to the USB contacts. You can see it. And on the back side there is just a supercapacitor and nothing else. It doesn't have any button or a microcontroller. There is no on-off switch, so you can't just turn it off if you want. When you insert it into a USB port for charging, it starts lighting and keeps on until it's out of charge. I think an on-off button is necessary here. So let's take a look at these gadgets on a girl. So let's see how they look on a girl. As I've already told, each one of these devices you can hang on a necklace and use as a pendant, or you can hang on your ear and use as an earring. So in the end we have a couple of very interesting devices which are unique, high quality, designed and handmade in Europe, and you can buy them directly from their maker. The first model I liked very much because it has a great runtime, up to 8 hours. It's very well designed and it has 9 modes. The second one lacks an on-off button, I think, and it's not a good idea to wait until it's out of charge to turn it off. So I think the maker must add an on-off button to it. That's all for today. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.